Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be everything that you need to know about having a store on eBay. So as always, I have my notes here. All of this information can be found on the internet, on eBay. If you guys are somebody like me and you like to listen to the information instead of reading the information, then this video is for you. So there are three kind of stores that you could have on eBay. You could have the basic store, you could have the premium store, or the anchor store. The basic store is a monthly subscription of $24.95, so $25 a month. The premium is $74.95 a month, $75, and then the anchor is $350 a month, pretty much $349.95. If you're like, hey, I know I want the store, I know I want it for the entire year, you do get a little bit of a discount. So if you do the yearly subscription instead of doing the monthly subscription, the basic store would be $19.95, which is $5 off. The premium store would be $57.95, which is $15 off a month. $15 off a month. Or you can do the anchor store, which would be $299.95, which will be about $50 off a month. That is the breakdown of what it would be per month. So you do have to commit to having the store for the entire year. That's the only way that you get those pricing. Basic, premium, and anchor store, they all have unlimited insertion free credits for auction style listings that end in a sale. For every store, you wouldn't have to pay to list an auction as long as it ends in a sale. If you're doing the fixed price, which is a buy it now rather than the auction where people bid on it, this would just be somebody's just purchasing it. So they do give you a discounted insertion fee. So for the basic store, it's 20 cents per listing, and the premium store would be 10 cents. The anchor store would be 5 cents. Discounted auction style insertion fee, if it doesn't sell, would be 25 cents for the basic store, 15 cents for the premium store, and 10 cents for the anchor store. All three of those stores, whether you have basic, premium, or anchor, the final value fees are lower than without having a store, and they range from 3.5% to 9.15%. Okay, so the number of free fixed price insertion fees that you get per month for basic is $250, premium is $1,000, and then anchor is $10,000. Free auction style insertion fees for collectibles and fashion only. This is per month. You get $250 for basic, $500 for premium, and $1,000 for anchor. And then number of free auction style or fixed price insertion fees for guitars or basses in those categories only. It's unlimited for any store that you have. Okay, so now that's all the fees that go into all of this. Now these are the benefits for each of these. So you get eBay branded shipping supplies, a quarterly coupon for that. So if you have the basic store, you get $25 per quarter. If you have the premium store, you get $50 per quarter. And then if you have the anchor store, you get $150 per quarter. So before I go anywhere, I do want to talk about what the shipping supplies are that you would get on the first day of each quarter of the year. So that's January 1st, April 1st, July 1st, and October 1st. Again, there's 4 quarters in a year, of course. Store subscribers can receive a one-time use only coupon on purchases made from the eBay branded shipping supply store. So again, for basics, you're getting $25 per quarter. For premium, you're getting $50 per quarter, and for anchor, you're getting $150 per quarter. Don't forget to use the entire amount of that coupon because it's a one-time use only, so you're not gonna have extra money. So if you have the basic store and you're buying shipping supplies and it only comes to $20, you're losing that $5 once you use that coupon. So make sure that you use all the money that they give to you, because if you don't use it, you lose it. So for boxes, they have 10 sizes and everything's going to be eBay branded, of course. The poly jackets, which are like weatherproof. It says it's made of moisture resistant durable plastic, quick and easy way to ship items that require no additional padding. And those are available in 4 sizes. A lot of times I use those for first class because they're very lightweight, so they're not going to make it go over that, pound to make it not first class. So I do use that. And then they also have tape, which I actually have some of the tape, 12, 24, and 36 count, and it's 2 inches wide. Now you might be wondering, how can I redeem this code? So how you would redeem this code is you would grab your coupon, visit subscriber discount page by clicking on Manage My Store via eBay. From Seller Hub, you can locate this page by scrolling down to the seller tools and click Manage Store. And then you would go on stores.ebay.com/eBay shipping supplies and select a variety of materials. Then you'd enter your coupon code at checkout, and then your coupon has been applied. On your mobile phone or tablet, you may receive a push notification that shows the total purchase amount, including the amount of the coupon. If you open the transaction in the PayPal app, click on the purchases to view details. Here you will see that your coupon has been applied. That is how you use that coupon. So then you could also promote your listings. You would get a quarterly credit for only the Anchor store, and that would be $25 per quarter. So if you're a top rated seller and you have a store, you'd get $30 per quarter. Promote your listings quarterly, you'd get that credit no matter what store you have, as long as you're a top rated seller. No matter what store you have on eBay, you'd have a store homepage for all of them. You'd have a customized URL page, so you get your very own stores.ebay.com/ whatever your store name is. It's just an easy link that people can get to faster than having to search you in an advanced search. You'd get featured items. So it says promote 4 featured items on your store homepage. So when somebody goes to your store, you could feature 4 items. That's for all of them. Store categories, help buyers browse your store with 300 custom categories. So it says for branding, add a billboard logo and description to express your brand, show your products, or announce a promotion or store event. And that's for all 3 of the stores. It says subscriber discounts. Take advantage of partner discounts on select services to help you manage and grow your business. And that is for Basic, Premium, or Anchor. And then it says manage your sales, free sales management tool. So it says use these valuable free tools to help you save time, improve customer satisfaction, and scale your business. So if you have a basic store, it would be Seller Hub exclusive features. If you have a premium store, it's Seller Hub exclusive features plus Selling Manager Pro, which is normally $15.99 a month. And then if you have the Anchor, it is Seller Hub exclusive features plus Selling Pro Manager, which is $15.99 per month. Also, if you have any one of these stores, you could put your store on vacation mode, which means if you're going away, you won't be stuck frantically being like, I'm not even home to be able to ship this. Now my selling rating is going to go down, everything like that. You don't have to worry. You put your store on vacation mode so that if anybody's purchasing, they know that you're not there. You're on vacation. So it won't mark against you that you're not able to ship within your shipping and handling time. So this is for all 3. Basic, Premium, and Anchor. It says exclusive tools to optimize your listing. So it says take advantage of powerful tools that help boost sales and visibility. And then it says promotions manager and promoted listings. So that is Basic, Premium, and Anchor. It says on eBay, a link to your eBay store will appear on all of your listings. So that's for Basic, Premium, and Anchor. And then it says listing frame, add your store header, search box, and category navigation to all your listings in your item description. And that is for Basic, Premium, and Anchor. Off eBay email marketing, that is really a tongue twister. Off eBay email marketing and promotional emails per month. So it says keep your customers coming back with customized emails and promotional emails. So you would be able to do 5,000 of those per month if you have the basic store, 7,500 per month if you have the premium, and then 10,000 if you have the Anchor store. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a lot of emails per month. And then it says promotional flyers, create promotional flyers and include them with your shipments to drive repeat business. And that is for every store that's Basic, Premium, and Anchor. And then it says business collateral templates, boost your brand and establish a professional image with these downloadable templates. And that is for Basic, Premium, and Anchor stores. And then lastly, for optimize your store for search engines and increase your exposure on the web. And that is for Basic, Premium, and Anchor. And now, to which store is best for you. Everything depends on how much you're selling per month. So the Basic store is best for sellers that list at least 250 items a month, or those who list high value items and wish to take advantage of the lower value fees. In order to have a Basic store, the requirements are you have to have an eBay sellers account and be PayPal verified. So you can't have a store if you're not PayPal verified, and of course you have to have an eBay account. Okay, so who is the premium store best for? That's for sellers listing at least 1,000 items per month. And in order to have a premium store, you have to have an eBay seller account, you have to be verified on PayPal, and you have to meet or exceed premium seller performance standards. And then lastly, who is the Anchor store best for? So that is sellers listing at least 10,000 items a month and those who want complete selling support. So if you guys have the Anchor store, you guys get complete selling support. And plus you could list 10,000 items a month, which is a lot. And then the requirements for that is, again, you have to have an eBay seller account and be PayPal verified, and you have to meet or exceed minimum selling standards. Okay, so I do have a few more things that I want to touch on just because I want this to be a video on everything you need to know about having a store on eBay. Subscribing to an eBay store does not automatically classify your account as a business account. You'd have to register your business on eBay to do that. Let's just say you're like, I'm gonna do a basic account, and then you realize, hey, I'm selling like a lot, I'm listing a lot, and I need to upgrade my store. So how would you do that? So, my dog is barking. So to upgrade your eBay store, go to My eBay, click on the account, and then subscriptions. On the subscription page, click change level to upgrade your eBay store. So eligible sellers may subscribe to an eBay store at any time during the year. The subscription fee will appear on your monthly invoice. The first month of your subscription is prorated based on your sign-up date. For example, if you sign up on April 27th and you're billed on the 1st of every month, you will be charged for the remaining 4 days in April. So that would be the 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th, plus the month of May on May 1st. Should you decide to cancel your subscription, you may do so at any time. You will have the full benefit of your subscription through the last day of the month you've canceled. For example, if you cancel your subscription on May 26th, you'll have the full benefits of the subscription through May 31st. As you have already paid through the end of the month. Your subscription will then be canceled and you will not be billed on June 1st. And that's everything you need to know about having a store on eBay. Yay! All right, guys, this was a super duper wordy video. I hope you guys stuck with me during this. I'm sorry if I sound like Ben Stein, win my money. I'm losing it today, guys. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday. Well, at least I try. And I try to have a vlog on Sundays. I have my blog. I will link everything down below. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. I don't have any cake today. I want cake.